9th gen Civic Si, reverse switch, pretty commonly goes out. Easy enough fix, just takes a little bit of effort to get to it. It's just on top of the clutch housing. Mine's already out, but I'll show you how to do it. Best take the air box out. Mine's being stubborn, but all I did, loosen this, pop that out, and kind of just get that out the way. Pop the tabs on the box. And I kind of just put that out the way. Get this guy out of here. And so the hole for it's right there. Like I said, I already got mine out. So to actually get it out, it's a 27mm socket. My set didn't come with that. So Amazon, I ordered 2 things because of where it is. One, 27mm impact deep socket. You know, 10 bucks, had to be done. And then I got this universal joint set, also 10 bucks on Amazon. Really nice, has screws to like put in the workbench. But anyways, combined that, and it fits right over. Let's see if I can show that one hand. Yeah. So basically, all I did was I got my socket. I didn't want to take the coolant line off, obviously, and I couldn't get this damn box out. I'm sure you could if you really tried, but I didn't want to break it. So I just got this sucker under the coolant line and over top of it into there. And then I used my extender bar and my impact with the universal joint to get it out. And it came out real easy. Once I broke it open, I was able to hand loosen it. And then I'll put the new one in. Oh, I should probably mention, it does have a, you'll see it if you do it on your own. It does have a wire. Let's see if I can get it visible. I don't know if you can see that. It had a wire on top, just a little clip. You just press in on the top of it, right here. Press on it, pull, pops right out. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's kind of burnt. Whereas the new one, fresh and clean. So you need to put dielectric on the threads here. Okay, so I just put the new one in. I'm gonna hand tighten it and then use the universal adapter and extension to torque it down, just hand tight. Plug it back in, see if it works. Something to note, when I went to go tighten it, finger tight was tight. I gave it some cranks and it doesn't budge, so that's all you're gonna get out of it. All right, so I hand tightened the reverse switch back on, put the clip back on top of it, put everything back in. Now, as you can see, backup camera working every time you go in reverse when it was intermittent or not working at all, and the reverse lights work perfectly too. Check it out.